Today we say bonjour to a new adventure, 24 hours away to explore this big, beautiful world. Welcome to the channel. Today we are counting down our top 10 Disney things to do when we are not inside a Disney park. And at number 10, we have the Kissimmee Souvenir experience. A lot of the prices inside these souvenir shops are actually only 25% of what you'd pay inside a park. You could pull these out when you're inside the park, be everyone's hero for the day. It's good to make preparations for your park day out. And at number 9, a visit to Celebration. Celebration is absolutely amazing. Diversity of cafes, restaurants, walking paths. There are so many things you can do. It has an amazing splash pad. It used to be a resident alligator there. I haven't seen him for a while. Definitely a shopper's paradise with all the boutique shops that are available. Go for a ride, explore the area. Originally designed by Disney. It's actually our preferred destination for breakfast diner. Highly recommend it. They have amazing nature trails and you can do fishing, all sorts of activities, hire a bike. And at number 8, a visit to the Art of Animation and Pop Century hotels. Oh, these hotels are absolutely incredible. They have the largest quick serve restaurants. The kids absolutely love it. If you are going around Pop Century or the Art of Animation, it's worth considering a photo scavenger hunt. Get the kids to do it, maybe a little prize. And they have amazing paths with loads of information on them. You can find the history of pop all the way around alongside these giant statues. And you can get there on the Skyliner, go over the water. It is a really special afternoon.
Weekend vibes. Keep us dancing all through the night. Wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright. We just wanna have weekend vibes. Let's wrap it up. Accelerate. 'Cause working 9 to 5.
Go into the Art of Animation. It has the lands you'll recognize from your favorite Disney films. The famous Cars Land, Finding Nemo, The Lion King, and The Little Mermaid, all with these incredible sized statues. Fantastic for taking photos against, showing the kids, and it also has a really cool play area.
Yeah. Lose your body and feel alright. 'Cause we just wanna have weekend vibes. Dancing all through the night. Wanna stay in that weekend vibe. Lose your body and feel alright. We just wanna have weekend vibes. When I feel low, you get me high. So high, so high.
And at number 7, we have Exploring Disney Springs. It's hard to overestimate just how big Disney Springs is. Sail up into the top of the skies with a hot air balloon. Shopper's paradise. Restaurants galore. You could eat a different restaurant for a couple of months and still not have done them all. I like to go grab some fish and chips, see if I can find some British expats to catch up with. Loads of us around Disney. You're not going to be short of a sweet treat. there are quite a few options. There's so much to do for the kids. Splitsville alone has 30 bowling lanes. The theatre inside Disney Springs actually has 24 screens showing all your latest movies. Check out the erupting volcano in Rainforest Cafe, or being scared by the crocodile, or maybe take a boat car out into the lake. Favorite thing is Dino Land, and going in the themed restaurant there. You can bring your own dinosaur to life, maybe put your personal roar inside it, always good as a gift for someone.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do.
I absolutely love getting a present, a little something, maybe seeing a show. There's always a great band playing. They've got so many stages with live music, and it's just a great place to walk around and just soak up the atmosphere. If you are in Disney before September, they have the new drone show that's going on, Dreams That Soar. Fantastic. Shows happen at 9 and 10:45 every night.
And when you're done, I'll make you do it all
And if you've got the energy, you can walk over to Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. Absolutely enormous. Well worth checking out. They got some amazing patisseries and sweets.
They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do that thing.
And at number 6, a visit to the Riviera Hotel. We picked this one at number 6 because the food is unbelievable. I highly recommend popping in, grabbing a coffee. The patisserie is literally to die for. It's a great place to explore. It's got loads of games, got bocce ball, a giant chess set, a beach, runs in from the Skyliner. Such a good afternoon out. Disney characters pop in from time to time.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead.
The mosaics are said to have over 1 million pieces in them. Gonna have to take their word for that one.
I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once
Can I recommend the Primo Piatti restaurant? Has the most incredible chicken sandwich. Well worth checking out. Riviera actually has a Skyliner scavenger hunt, which is fantastic for the kids and gives you an opportunity to get some steps in, walk around the different hotels. And at number 5, a Monorail Adventure Day. Catch the monorail from the Ticket and Transportation Centre, and if you jump on the resort loop, it goes to the Contemporary Hotel, the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian. All of these have their unique flavours and different things to do on offer. If you feel like you need a little bit more luxury in your life, maybe consider an afternoon out at the Grand Floridian. Just helps you feel a little bit classy. Soak up the live pianists, maybe have a gin and tonic in your hand, relax while the kids go and play corn toss or table tennis, go to the beach. Also has an amazing view of the fireworks over Cinderella's castle.
For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name ever alone this world, but that was when I ruled the world.
We dashed off to grab the monorail over to the Contemporary so that we could catch the fireworks. Great spot to watch it, the fireworks over the Magic Kingdom. I remember as a child being absolutely amazed as the train went into the hotel. And the Contemporary to this day is still one of the best hotels you can visit. And at number 4, the Wilderness Resort and Lodge. You will be amazed at the size of the foyer. Incredible totem poles, great shopping. I think they have 11 restaurants that you can pick from. This place is an explorer's paradise.
Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing?
Whether you're sitting down by the water, grabbing a coffee or a beer, or maybe catching one of the boats over to the Contemporary or the other resorts, an amazing place to go for an evening and a bite to eat.
We can go, no one will know. Oh come on, girl.
We like catching a boat from the lodge over to the resort, which is super easy to get confused if you're on the bus. But one is the campgrounds, and from the campgrounds you can do horse riding, they've got a beach, they've got loads to do, great restaurants, and the combination between the two makes for a fantastic day out. Horse riding actually costs $65 per person. And at number 3 we have the Polynesian experience. The Polynesian is just the best place to relax, which is why we put it at number 3. Incredible restaurants, from sushi to quick service restaurants, has amazing beach, the view to watch the fireworks is fantastic. We love grabbing an ice cream, doing some shopping, hanging out and just soaking up that relaxing atmosphere.
Oh, I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do? Let's just run, girl. If we wake up and you wanna break up, that's cool. No, I won't blame you. It was fun, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. If you're ready, like I'm ready. 'Cause it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something.
And at number 2, the Skyliner Adventure. We picked the Skyliner Adventure as a way of combining loads of hotels. You can visit Pop Century, Art of Animation, the Riviera, the Boardwalk, the Caribbean Resort, and the combination is just an unbelievable day or afternoon out.
Just say I do.
We love jumping out, grabbing a coffee from Joffrey's, walking over to the Caribbean Beach Resort. After grabbing a drink, you can walk around the lake, lie on the hammocks, relax for a bit. Charlie loves the sand toys or going to the playground there. If you keep going, you'll actually go into the Caribbean Beach Club and count it as tropical vibes. It's quite often a live band playing the steel drum. Maybe grab a tropical cocktail. A couple of these rums will have you up and dancing with the kids.
I think I wanna marry you.
You can wander over to the Riviera, grab a coffee, play some games, then jump back on the Skyliner and head over to our number 1 spot.
I think I wanna marry you.
Number 1 is the Boardwalk Adventure. We picked this primarily because of Beaches and Cream. The ice cream is just incredible. But it's more than just the ice cream. It's the boat rides, it's the atmosphere, it's the restaurants, it's the street performers. You can go and sing karaoke at one restaurant, grab a sweet treat, walk around, soak up the atmosphere. Always something going on. The hotels are incredible.
To hear the truth. How many moments did I trade in for a fake kiss? How many chances did I forfeit? Too afraid to miss. I feel your thunder pouring like rain down on the mountains.
So that's our video for the day. We have another one coming up. We really appreciate you watching. If you would subscribe, like it helps us a lot. It's only our second video. We're going to try and upload one every week. If you have a trip coming up to Disney World, we really hope you have a fantastic time. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We really appreciate your support. If you can share the video, you would be doing us a huge favor. Till next week, goodbye.
Standing face to face.